Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a general skills CTF challenge from Yellow Yak CTF. The challenge is called Just Test. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The task is to analyze a number of strings in order to find a flag. You'll find the link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are on the Yellow Yak CTF homepage. So let's scroll down to the challenge. Just a test, testing. Let's do it. Here we see that we have a number of strings in different languages. So let's start with a simple test, shall we? And let's look through these languages. Here we see something called flaggish. That looks a bit curious. So let's see. This looks like a hex string, I would say. So let's copy that one. And let's see if we can decode this with CyberChef. From hex. And there we go. Yellow Yak CTF. This was way too simple. Okay, that was quite simple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.